Hi all, welcome to the in-class exercise 5 of deep learning. And today's task is to perform sentiment analysis, use the given code and generate a model and use that model to predict on the new text data and apply grid search and also use the same code on the spam data as well. So basically we do a spam classification as well. So let's check the code. I've included most all of them in one single notebook file. It's easy to refer. So first import all the required modules, read that file, check for the encoding errors if you have any. If so, add particularly encoding with formats such as UTF-8 or 16. Load the dataset and avoid any remove any unnecessary columns. Convert the data to the required format and see this. Let's just check the size of it, the positive and the negatives. Then we create a tokenizer as well. The model is basically a simple LSTM model with spatial dropout in the final layer as a dense layer with softmax activation. Once we create that model, we prepare the train and test dataset. And on using this, we create a model, and this is our summary. It's a small model, but still, it took me quite a while in running each epoch. So you can see this took about like 1.5 minutes in training on 5 epochs, but we still have a good accuracy of 90%. And save that model. That is the first step here. And after saving the model, we load that particular model and use that from Keras module. This is our test data, and we predict on top of it. Append fit that to the new tokens, and we do a prediction on this. And then the second question is perform grid search on the same above dataset. We create a batch size, list of batch size and epochs, then create a dictionary on top of them as a hyperparameters and fit that hyperparameters particularly to our grid search. The grid search module is available on sklearn with model selection, and this we have a pretty good accuracy as well with the best score of 84 or 85, close to 85. After this, the third program is spam classifier, but on a different dataset. I had error on this particular dataset because it is ultimately spam. So we better you convert it to UTF-8. In my case, I did that. So and the columns are V2 and V1. Let's remove unnecessary columns. There were two unnecessary columns without any name. And once we replace them, let's fit that. Let's follow the same procedure again: encoding, performing a tokenization or on that, and fitting that data. Or creating train and test dataset. Similarly, create another model with LSTM and a dense layer with a softmax in the end. Train it on 5 epochs. This is a pretty big data set compared to the sentiment analysis, so it took me a while in training them. So you can see it's almost went till 5 minutes for 5 epochs, but still the good accuracy of extremely good accuracy of 99%. And that's it. There you go. Thank you.